Hi, and welcome to the overview of our senior project. We are Team 20 with Swoboda, and today I have the pleasure of showing you our senior project. First and foremost, we'll meet the team, which is composed of Lance Deemter, Crystal Kinney, myself, Daniel Weller, Jordan Hayes, and Aziz Sarin. Swoboda is an automotive components manufacturer, and what we have here is one of their many components. This is the Winton washer, which is composed of a plastic head, steel washer, and a copper wound plastic overmolded solenoid. Recycling the component in its whole state has a return of 30 cents a pound. Recycling the component disassembled has a return of over $1.50 a pound. Knowing our problem, we began to dissect it and created specifications. Some of the more important ones are highlighted in green. We then created a function structure diagram to visualize what goes in the machine and what we get out. At this point, we began to construct models and break down each part of the design. First, we have the orienting part phase, where the part is inserted and it vibrates down a rail. At the part transfer phase, the component is off the vibrating rail and secured in a clamp. The part is then ready for the head removal phase, where the shear arms remove the top plastic head. Lastly, at the washer removal phase, a punch comes down and removes the washer. In order to properly sort and recycle the pieces, a trapdoor system was devised. A series of panels will rotate after each sequence, securely sorting each part. The electrical mapping was done, where each process is controlled by a PLC and performed in sequential order. The panel layout was also done to ensure we have the room and all the necessary equipment to perform these tasks. And now we can see our overview. Let's start building.